Proper breathing elevates your mood, increases your stamina, your mental clarity, as well as detoxifying our own internal system. Have you ever watched a baby breathe? They breathe so gentle, so non-forceful, so easy. They breathe from their stomach instead of their chest like we do as adults. The tension, the anxiety, and the stresses that we live in day to day affect our breathing. They affect the way we bring in oxygen into the cells. Oxygen is life, and without oxygen, life does not exist. Life is oxygenating the cells throughout our entire body. Our heart, our lungs, our liver, all the organs, tissues, and glands are all being oxygenated when you breathe properly. Your ribs, your stomach, and your diaphragm all work together harmoniously. When you're breathing improperly, the muscles of your chest, as well as the muscles between the rib cage, are working more than they should. Proper breathing comes from our internal gut. It comes from our stomach. It comes from our diaphragm. That when we breathe in, our stomach, our internal gut should be the only thing working. But when you breathe in, relax. Allow the oxygen to come in slowly. And when you exhale, which is very important because you're releasing carbon dioxide as well as other gases and toxins. So if you're breathing shallow with your chest, you're going to only be using the top half of your lungs. But when you use the internal diaphragm and your stomach, where you can breathe and just allow the stomach to come out and in and out and in, you're going to get much more oxygen, much more health, and much more life. So watch the babies. A baby who knows nothing about life, but knows everything on how to live their life. Watch their rib cage expand and their stomachs go out. Naturally, softly, gently, without overwork. Make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.